Hello everyone. This screencast is designed to walk you through the steps of completing the Level 3 Formative for Maps and Geographic Regions. So from World Geography, go to Classwork, and under Unit 1, the Basics of Geography, you'll see Maps and Geographic Tools, Level 3 Formative. When you open up this document first, this is the first thing you're going to work on, is this Google Doc. It will look like this. You are going to choose a place and a region, and you're going to list the physical characteristics of your place and the human characteristics of your place. And we practiced this in class. Then you're going to list the physical characteristics of your region and the human characteristics of your region. This is step one. You have to do this first. Once you do this, if you go back to the assignment, you're going to open up your copy of a map, and it will look like this. Of course, yours will probably look a little bit further away like this. And you're going to first take your untitled layer here and label it with the name of your place, whatever that happens to be. So you have one layer that's your place. Then you're going to add a layer and hit the title again. And you're going to put in the name of your region. I'm just putting the words there for now as placeholders. Remember, you are looking at your document, whatever place you chose and whatever region you chose. Those are the names you're going to put into the layers on your map. You will see that there's a blue bar here, and you can toggle back and forth between your layers as to which place or region you are then going to start pinning locations onto your map. So let's say, for instance, that I'm going to go with my region, and my region is the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. So you're going to add a marker, and when you click that, you can bring your marker down to that region, and you can make it a little bigger, and you can center your map as you zoom in and keep zooming in, And let's say one of my physical features of the region was Quintana Roo. I'm going to put it right there. And if you click on it, point 1, you can then title by editing it and call it Quintana Roo. So you're going to say here in the text box that it is your physical feature number 1. Keep in mind, you already have your physical and human characteristics. And I said feature, but really I meant to say characteristics, so I'm going to change that. Just so the language stays consistent between the map and the document. All right, Quintana Roo, it's there. Next step, again, for every marker, because if you go back here, you're going to put 4, 8, 12, 16 total markers on your map. 8 for your place in one layer, 8 for your region in another layer. And again, the markers will indicate the 4 physical characteristics and the 4 human characteristics of both your place and your region that you're then dropping into the map. So if Quintana Roo is my physical characteristic, the last step is you have to then go to the camera, go to Google Images, type in Quintana Roo, and see what images come up. Let's put this image in, then you insert, and there it is. Your first marker is complete. And it should, if you save it, there it is right there under your region. Quintana Roo is your first physical characteristic that you've dropped into your region. And you can do a place as well. And let's just, for the purpose of reviewing this one more time, let's say your place is Winnipeg, Manitoba in Canada. You're going to go move, you're going to move out so you can see better, move your map. Go ahead and keep that pin there. here's Winnipeg, Manitoba. So you want to center it. You're going to drop your pin right there. Just keep centering it. And let's say that one of your human characteristics of Manitoba is their enjoyment of hockey. That would be a human characteristic. So you're going to then remember you're in a place. You're going to drop your pin right there. Sorry, it's a work in progress. Drop your pin. Call it hockey. Call it a human characteristic. Number one. And again, you want to find a image. So to be really specific, because hockey images will come up all over the place, but if you put hockey in Winnipeg, and see what you come up with. There you can put any number of images here, so let's just put this one. And it should enter into there, because you inserted it. There it is. And you hit save. And there, your first human characteristic for Winnipeg is hockey. Remember, you have to have 4 physical, 4 human for your place, 4 physical, and 4 human for your region. You're essentially dropping 16 different points into your 2 layers of the map, and that will be it. Then you don't even have to turn it in because you already have a copy and I can see it on Google Classroom. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.